When my son was 8 years old, he got a Rubik's Cube for his birthday. Then he asked if I knew how to solve it. Of course, I had no clue. So I did what any good dad would do and I Googled it. I ended up looking at a pile of websites and YouTube channels, but they didn't help. Why? It's the same reason you might be struggling. The videos I found throw around the word algorithm, go too fast, and don't explain anything very well. Here's the thing, I finally learned how to solve a cube, but it was painful, time-consuming, and annoying. I thought I could do this so much better, so I created my own videos. Right now, go to my description and click on the playlist. You'll love it. Here are some other reasons why it was so hard for me to solve a cube. Number one, I was impatient. I wanted to solve as fast as possible, but I needed to relax and remember, it's supposed to be fun. Two, I didn't learn in small chunks. It's unrealistic to think you can speed solve when you first start out. When you're learning it step by step, you're motivated to continue because you feel like you're making progress. 3. I tried memorizing algorithms. Eventually, I realized fun stories and patterns were much better. Number 4, I watched bad videos. These are the videos where the person was using the term algorithm. These are the kinds of people that want to impress you with their knowledge and speed. They're great cubers, bad teachers. After I learned how to solve a cube, I made a YouTube series that went viral. Over 1 million people have learned using my fun, unique techniques. To open my playlist, simply go to the description and click on the link.